Okay guys, so we've completed the fish and chips, all done by the Philips air fryer. Today we're going to work on a new recipe, which is a choc raspberry pudding. Really yummy and simple. So I've got a cup of spelt flour sifted in here, along with some cacao, half a cup of cacao, and a teaspoon of baking powder, all sifted in that bowl. I've got 2 whole eggs whisked. I'm going to add half a cup of applesauce, pure applesauce. Okay, we've got a 1/4 cup of ghee, melted ghee, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a 1/4 cup of rice milk. Okay, to give all the wet ingredients a good mix, we're also just going to quickly add in there half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Okay, so giving it all a lovely mix, it's all really fluffy. We're going to add it into our dry ingredients. Mix. Okay. And we're just going to fold this in together. It's really chocolatey, and it literally just takes 10 minutes to cook. You could even have your ramekins filled with the mixture, placed in the fridge, and if you're having a dinner party, you could just pull them out and pop them in the Philips air fryer for 10 minutes, and they'll come out beautiful. Okay, so that's all mixed nicely there. I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen raspberries. Give that a good mix. Really yummy. Okay, now we're just going to simply pop them in the ramekins. Okay, and then we're just going to flatten the tops out once we've got them all in, just so they don't rise too high. Okay, so as you can see, these choc raspberry puddings are made with whole natural ingredients. There's a tiny bit of maple syrup in there, which is all natural as well, to add a little bit of sweetness, and the pure applesauce, but that's all it is when it comes to adding in a bit of sugar. So just flatten out the top. Alright, I'm just going to pop them in 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And you watch these come out, they're going to be amazing. Okay, up to 10. Voila. So our choc raspberry puddings have been now cooking for 10 minutes. They're ready. Alright, I'm going to take one out. Very hot, so. Some towel. Look at that. Nice and crusty on the outside and really smooth and creamy on the inside. So good. So good. Yum.